Hi Rob, my name is Barry and I just want to show you how easy it is to remove the tent frame leg with the screw gun. So first of all, you just need a screwdriver. Cordless screwdriver is easiest, and a regular Phillips drill bit. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that need to be released to take the leg off and then put back into place as soon as you're done. Only takes about a minute or so. There's one. This is also how we fill warranty claims. If something ever happens and the wind picks your tent up and damages it, we would send you the replacement leg or the replacement part to take care of that claim. And that's all there is to it. So if you were to select the option to get the leg, then we'll give you a $75 gift card and we'll ship this out to you today. And then all you need to do is take it off like I just showed you and then use the same screws to put it right back in, all 4 of them, and that's it. So a very fast and easy project. And I assure you that will take care of the problem, because the photo that you showed me had a dent in the leg here, which, as you know, is causing a problem with this inner piece sliding up and down throughout the body. So I'm going to send this email to you right now and then let us know. Thanks, Rob. Bye-bye.